pada hujung 80-an, iaitu lebih kurang 88-89, Nissan telah mengeluarkan dua model yang popular, iaitu satu S13 dengan satu 180XX atau RPS 13. So seperti yang kamu boleh nampak di belakang saya ini, ada sebuah Silvia S13, dan pada masa itu sebenarnya pasal mereka keluar dua model kan, satu S13 dengan satu 80XX. Jadi masa itu sebenarnya 180XX itu sebenarnya sampai hari ini 180XX itu sebenarnya dia nampak lebih sporty dan lebih menarik kalau berbanding dengan S13. Jadi lebih banyak 180XX dijual di market dan S13 kurang sikit. Masa pun sudah berlalu dan sekarang S13 jadikan sangat-sangat rare. Disebabkan itu fever JDM sekarang sedang hangat kan. Semua orang sedang cari, tak kisah apa kereta JDM yang ada yang menarik, semua mereka cari. Jadi S13 adalah salah satu model yang sedang diburu-buru dan dicari seluruh dunia. Hari ini saya jumpa satu S13 yang menarik dan kita akan buat satu full review dengan owner dia, dan dia akan terangkan macam mana kereta ni dibina dan apa barang dia pakai. Jom mari kita dengar apa owner cakap.
Swadikap, my name is Art. I'm come from Bangkok. This is my S13.
Okay, Art, this S13, what is the year make of this S13? What year?
91. This import to Thailand in 1995. Yes,
okay.
registered in Thailand.
But it's 1991 manufacturer.
Yes.
In Thailand market, there is 200XX, there is S13, there is S14, and there's S15. But why you choose S13? Why?
In Thailand have 200 SX, many. This normal. This S13 is very rare in Thailand.
So you like rare things, yeah?
Yes, I like it.
Kazuto Garage Online Store. Kini Kazuto Garage mengadakan kedai secara online. Kepada peminat-peminat Kazuto Garage, jangan lupa datang support Shopee Store kami ya. Dan anda boleh mendapat pelbagai merchandise original Kazuto Garage seperti t-shirt, stickers, barang-barang JDM dan lain-lain. Dan juga jangan lupa support TikTok, Facebook page, Instagram, YouTube channel Kazuto Garage, okay?
Can we know more about this car?
Yes, let's go.
Okay, first, definitely we saw you using a very nice white body kit. Can you explain and tell us what is the body kit you are using?
This is Rocket Bunny Pandem VT body kit. The full body kit is Pandem version 3. Have GT wing. I don't like GT wing. This big version.
So basically you are mixed up to the liking of your design. You follow the design you want and you mix around the version 1, version 2, version 3.
Yes.
Correct. Alright.
This is 3 version for Rocket Bunny Pandem.
Is the bumper come with the lips, original lips, or you add on?
Yes, original.
Original lips. Wow, it's very beautiful, yeah. And about the light, what light you using?
This is modified. Here to original headlight.
Is the clear lens is D-Max?
No,
No.
I don't know brand. This is accessory.
Okay.
I buy from Yahoo Japan.
Okay. Alright. And we see the headlight you use so nice. And what grill are you using?
This the grill is a TBO.
TBO.
Yes.
TBO wheels.
TBO brand TBO.
Original.
Original.
Wow, it's beautiful. And we see if you have so nice light, if you have a TBO grill, but why your side signal you use stock standard?
In one version, I have D-Max.
Okay, alright.
This rear bumper is in full set Rocket Bunny Pandam ET insert around car.
Is original as well? Or local?
Yes, original.
Original. Wow, you everything original.
Yes. This set is full set have a GT spoiler. I not like.
You don't like?
I not there.
Okay, so you prefer this ducktail version 1 spoiler? Yes. And this light?
This tail light from brand D-Max Japan.
D-Max Japan.
Yes.
And definitely this is original. D-Max, there's no imitation.
It's accessory.
Accessory. Alright, cool. So we can see all the original Rocket Bunny, all the fitting is very, very nice, yeah. Everything we see, all the fitting, because it's original, so all the fitting is so nice.
Yes.
Okay, as you told us, this is a Rocket Bunny version 3 for this back fender, right? This complete set fender. So do you know how wide is this fender?
Expect 50 millimeter.
50 millimeter. Wow, it's 2 inch, very wide. So you using so wide this fender, is the wheels you have to use spacer or no spacer? Your wheels. Okay, tell us about your setup of the rims.
This body wide 50 millimeter. Have a spacer 2.5 mm.
2.5.
Yes.
Wow, it's wide.
Yeah.
And how wide is this rim?
13 new.
13 JJ wide. Wow, 13 JJ and you still running 25 mm spacer.
Yes.
And what is the offset?
22.
22 offset.
Yes,
And
22.
13 JJ.
Yes.
Wow.
13 cc.
Crazy.
You can ride.
Yeah,
Wow.
see the tire. It's 315 35 17. So it's very rare to see 17 13J. Very rare. So is this rim custom or is it come with like this?
Buy from Yahoo Japan.
Already this size.
Yes.
Wow. You are lucky. This is very rare. All right. So what do you think if a white body and this is no cover? Some model cover, but this not this
Original,
model.
no cover.
Yeah, original no cover.
Yeah.
Do you like cover or no cover? Your personal, which one you like? You like cover or no cover?
I'm like original.
Original. Anything original is good, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. And then we see this.
This is origin past Japan.
Okay.
Yes. Spoiler roof.
So this spoiler roof is original also from Japan.
Yes.
And what caliper you using the front? The brake caliper?
This is caliper from Skyline 33.
Your car is so low. Are you running a air suspension? And
Yes, suspension.
what is the setup?
I original take-in show up with air suspension. Big.
So your suspension is those ball type.
Yes. Modified for Thai.
So from maximum high, how high and how low you can play around?
Maximum high 3 new.
3 inch.
Because take-in have a stage show up. Not air show up.
Oh, it's a stock TN suspension length.
Yes.
Yes, alright. Tell us about your interior.
Sit come from Skyline GTR 30T.
33.
The remake.
Yeah. And you embroidery the Nismo.
Yes.
Okay. Why don't you remake the original condition?
I want to back this. Yes. It's Alcantara.
Alcantara. Okay. And then what steering you are using?
selling is Momo prototype. Yes. Meter is Omori. This Omori boost meter. RPM meter.
Okay. So is the controller is a G-ready controller?
Yes. Unless I have a remote, high boost and low boost. Remote cover.
All right. It's beautiful.
Original. Have.
Okay. And how about tell us the back seat cover?
This origin. It have fiber guard. T-piece. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, 3-piece.
T-piece.
Okay. And what roll cage are you running?
The robot has safety 21.
Right.
Here's chip cop dome.
Shifter.
Shifter.
All right. Tell us more about your engine.
This is S13 engine. Shank 2JC. Super piston. Dome gadget. Turbo GT 2540.
What is the piping? What piping are you running? Is aluminum or metal or what material you running for the piping?
Steel.
Steel. Wow.
Steel pen. This header is original.
So you running original header. Why?
In Thailand, have less bracket for original header.
Okay. So it's good. You think it's good enough? Original?
Yes,
It's good.
it's good.
Okay. And then what ECU you running for this one? What computer box?
HKS Fcon.
F
Yes.
HKS Fcon, yeah.
Yes.
All right. Cool. And then we see your radiator is an aluminum flex. Where is this flex come from actually?
This product is made in Thailand. Yes.
It's good.
It's good.
Yeah. Now you run two electric fans.
Uh,
Why you don't use the clutch fan and then why you go for electric fans?
In Thailand has many cost. Electric fan better
Cooling.
cooling.
Okay. Okay, as you guys can see, this one is shave and tuck. He shave everything, clean everything. You almost don't see any wires, and you don't see aircon hose as well from top here. But this car still running aircon. As Art told me, basically this engine bay is all shave and tuck, all the wiring and all the engine hose, everything is underneath. That's why we see it's very clean here. Super built for this car, man. So we see this exhaust is like a Apex titanium, is it?
Yes.
Titanium?
Process titanium, but it's made for Silvia S14. I modify for Silvia.
Okay.
But it's full titanium.
Full titanium, but you
Full titanium.
But you modify titanium. Can you welding in Thailand titanium?
Yes.
Can welding?
Yes.
So this is a full set original titanium Apex C, yeah? What do you think about titanium sound of the exhaust?
It's very nice.
Yeah, so different, right? The sound is very different from steel or stainless steel.
Yes, different.
Very different.
Yes.
Yeah, later you show us the sound.
And okay. This ratio is Nismo 4.T ratio.
Alright. So how about your clutch? What clutch you running?
OS chicken.
OS chicken.
Yes.
Single
Two place.
Two plate.
Two pairs.
Okay.
I ever dash race in Thailand.
Drag race. There's a what is this?
Swiss burnout.
Oh, for burnout.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Power steering. This pump electric.
For power steering.
Yes, yes,
Okay, so you running electric power steering as well.
yes.
Okay, so
From MR2.
MRS.
Yes.
MRS. So you do all the shift and tuck, everything go under. Everything, all the aircon hose, wiring, all is under.
Yes.
So it's difficult to do, and then if you have trouble, how?
7 years.
No
It's
problem.
not problem.
It's already 7 years.
7 years.
Wow. All right. Okay, anyone who interested about Art S13, you can follow his Instagram.
Instagram.
Okay, tell us about your Instagram address.
Water J. My Instagram. WATER underscore JAE. Thank you very much.
Okay, okay.
ไม่เอาพอมีรถเรา
Okay.